During their advance, the Italians captured Sidi-Barrani and fortified its east side. As part of Operation Compass, their objective is to eliminate their defenses and recapture the town. Our task is to take back the coastal town of Sidi-Barrani. Scouts report that the macaronis have dug themselves around the town, so expect heavy resistance.
Orders? Yes, sir. Orders? Hurry up! Ready, sir. Destination acknowledged. Orders? Infantry moving. Any orders, sir? Moving! Moving! On the way!
Is that a...
Sir, there's a storm approaching.
Don't mind the storm. At least they won't see us coming.
Unità nemiche!
Hostile unit spotted!
Bersaglio in vista!
Infantry ready. Awaiting orders. Vehicle is operational. Infantry ready.
Eliminateli! Nemico!
Hostile unit.
They are retreating! Oh, where's the dust?
Flying to destiny.
Push on, boys.
Infantry moving. Infantry moving. Moving, sir. Attack! 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 Awaiting orders.
Yes!
Orders? Orders?
Don't worry. Nobody will see a flare in this hellish weather.
Attack!
Sir, the sand messed up the engine. We need a crew to fix it.
Orders?
We have to push through while we're under the cover of the storm. You'll have time for maintenance once the dust settles.
Vehicle is operational. Ready, sir. Infantry moving. Yes. Infantry on the move. Got it? Any orders, sir? Any orders, sir? Ready, sir. Yes. Infantry ready. Infantry moving. Infantry on the move.
Unità nemiche!
Yeah, target in sight.
They are retreating!
Yeah. Infantry on the move.
Push on, boys.
Infantry moving. Infantry on the move.
Yes, sir. Reporting for duty. Any orders, sir?
Infantry ready. Orders on the way.
Nemico!
Infantry. They are retreating. Got it.
Push on, boys.
Moving, sir.
Sparate!
Hostile unit spotted. Enemy destroyed. On the way. Infantry moving.
Orders?
Infantry moving. Infantry ready. Awaiting orders.
Any orders, sir? Orders?
Ready for... They are retreating. Infantry.
Push on, boys.
Yes, sir. Infantry on the move. Any orders, sir? Yes, sir.
Vehicle is operational.
Yes. Infantry on the move. Infantry moving. Got it.
Vehicle is operational. Awaiting orders. Ready to attack.
Aim.
Attack! Yeah!
Enemy.
Moving. Moving, sir. Come on! Attack! Vehicle is operational. Eliminate them. On the way.
Dust. Ready, sir. Infantry moving. Infantry moving. Come on! Sir, the sand messed up the engine. We need a crew to fix it.
We have to push through while we're under the cover of the storm. You'll have time for maintenance once the dust settles.
Nemico!
Bullseye! They are retreating.
Push on, boys.
Yes, sir. Ready for battle.
Orders?
Yes, sir. Infantry ready. Infantry.
Any orders, sir?
Infantry reporting for duty. Ready for battle. Infantry on the move. Infantry on the move.
Vehicle is operational.
Infantry reporting for duty. Reporting for duty. Infantry reporting for duty. Moving. Infantry moving. Yes. Moving.
We are ready, sir. Ready, sir. On the way.
Any orders, sir? On the way. Orders? Hurry up! Anti-tank moving. Infantry moving.
Reporting for duty. Moving. Come on. Ready, sir.
Gun ready. Relocating the gun. Reporting for duty. What are the coordinates? Yes. Yes, sir. Infantry on the move.
Vehicle is operational.
Infantry reporting for duty. Anti-tank moving. Infantry moving. Anti-tank moving. Anti-tank moving. Moving. Anti-tank moving.
Vehicle is operational. Yes, sir.
Coordinates, sir? Any orders, sir? Yes, sir. Infantry on the move. Any orders, sir? Infantry moving.
Any orders, sir?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir. Infantry on the move.
Ready to attack.
Reporting for duty. On the way.
Reporting for duty. Orders?
Yes. Moving.
Ready to attack. On the way.
Yes. Infantry moving.
Sir, the sand messed up the engine. We need a crew to fix it.
Yes.
We have to push through while we're under the cover of the storm. You'll have time for maintenance once the dust settles.
Infantry on the move. Got it. On the way.
Dato.
Hostile units. Attack! To them. Target destroyed. Ready for battle. Moving, sir. Infantry ready. I'm badly wounded. Infantry on the move. Yes, sir. Enemy destroyed. Infantry on the move.
Yes, sir. Ready, sir. Vehicle is operational. Moving.
Attack! Yeah!
Fuoco!
We are ready, sir. On the way. Vehicle is operational. Vehicle is operational. On the way.
Ready, sir.
Orders? Any orders, sir?
Yes, sir.
Uccideteli!
Sir, the sand messed up the engine. We need a crew to fix it.
We have to push through while we're under the cover of the storm. You'll have time for maintenance once the dust settles.
Yes, sir. Yes. Infantry moving.
Yes, sir. Orders? Awaiting orders.
Awaiting orders. Any orders, sir? Affirmative. Reporting for duty. Yes.
Yes, sir. Come on! Any orders, sir?
Come on! Affirmative. Any orders, sir?
Infantry ready. Hostile units!
They are retreating.
Enemy destroyed!
Push on, boys.
We are ready, sir. Affirmative. Ready to attack. Vehicle is operational. Awaiting orders.
Destroyed!
Yes.
Destroying the target! Ready, sir. Infantry on the move. Up.
Well done, boys. The town is ours and we can proceed with the operation.
December 1940. After 2 months twiddling our thumbs in Mercenary True, we finally started pushing back against the Italians today. Operation Compass, they're calling it. and the main objective was to take back Sidi-Barrani, the dusty crossroads town we were so rudely turfed out from in September. We've received a heap of reinforcements since then, so we've had a lot more lads joining us for the return journey. We've also been sent a whole regiment of the new Matilda II tanks to lead the advance. People are saying the Italians have nothing to match them. That's not the only help we had either. The RAF have made plenty of bombing raids on the Italian airfields, while the Navy sent along HMS Terror to give us a hand. She may not be the biggest ship afloat, but she packs a mighty punch. 2 15-inch battleship guns, which rained down shells on the Italian defenses as we attacked. Everything went perfectly to plan. HMS Terror battered the defenses to bits for us, and the Matildas smashed through the enemy with ease. Things couldn't really have been any easier for us. It was our infantry who really held things together. Amid all the confusion and explosions, their sheer resilience and discipline under fire reminded me of General Montgomery's 2nd Corps at Dunkirk. Eventually, the Italians could see that the jig was up and the battle was lost. All over the battlefield, they started standing up and surrendering. There must have been thousands of them. The road back to Mercer-Matruh was now just one long line of marching prisoners. And meanwhile, Operation Compass still has 2 more days to run. If things keep up at this pace, we could even make it to Hellfire.